Hello and welcome to our channel. I'm really happy to see you here today with us. If you are not a subscriber to our channel, please do so right now by clicking this button on your screen, and we will see you on a regular basis. As we are working on BMWs, car, trucks, fun cars, sports cars, anything related and connected to the automotive, travel, this channel, this show is just about life and cars connected on an everyday basis. In this video, we are going to be replacing the spark plugs and the coils on an ongoing project of ours, which is 2011 BMW 335 with N55 engine. We bought it sight unseen a few weeks ago. The car was not running and unfortunately still not running. The first repair was trying to pull out the fuel pump out of the tank. I did so, I tested the pump, it was running, so we had to put it back. So if you are into cars, trucks and travel, this channel is for you. This summer we do have some fun plans to travel up to Montana, Glacier Park area, then Bryce Canyon, Utah. We're gonna go back to Mammoth area, June Lake, up to Sierras basically. So stay tuned, you will see some cool filming, photography, and just will be able to experience what's out there. We will be also trying to enter Canada, and I'm wondering, will they let us in with this COVID-19 situation or not? I do also have some other plans to travel maybe to Europe, particularly Russia, Germany, and just to test the situation. How is it going out there? Is the situation similar to what we have here, the same conditions? How do people feel? My brother in the nearby future, hoping maybe next week or so, going to bring some video experience how the situation is in Russia. As usual guys, step number one, always disconnect your battery first. And let's remove the cabin filter for the HVAC. Disconnect the sensor, like so. Next step, we're going to be removing this protective shield that is obstructing our access to the last 2 or 3 spark plugs. I'm curious why they're so loose. This one's not even here, missing. So that tells me somebody was already trying to do something here. Now let's remove the air filtration as it's in the way. Let's remove this plastic protection. Unhook the hoses. Let's pull out the coils. You do that by unhooking this. The plug comes out as long as you undid the clip. Yeah, these are not so hot looking. Guys, very important that before you start working on replacing your spark plugs, you get a thin wall 14mm socket, and it would be precisely for the N54 and N55 engine. They are long, they have more teeth in the socket, and it's, like I said, a thin wall. Ooh, that's a bad sign. Look at that. For cylinder number 5, we'll have to remove the stabilizer here. So it's a bolt with a star type of head, but I was able just to use the 7/16 socket. It fits right in. You know what else I thought was interesting? That they came out so easily. Seriously, some of them I barely had to apply any torque. Just, I'm curious why. So these are the original spark plugs, BMW Bosch, with almost 90,000 miles on them.
I was finishing a beat.
Check out the spark plugs I pulled from it. All of them are that way.
Do you have to replace that? Is that what's wrong?
I hope so. And look at these are the coils. That's how the electrical being sent out to the spark plugs. So all of this is like, first of all, 9 years old. And it's all nasty. Like this, I bet, do not even work. So I already put the spark plugs in. Now I'm putting the new coils. It's a little different from the, see, this is all plastic comparing to this one is half metal sheeting and it's covered with plastic. So these are the clips, kind of fun the way it's made. And you know what else was interesting?
What?
That there are quite a few bolts that are missing. See, this one was not connected. This segment with these two connectors was not bolted in. Remember how the lady told us that the mechanic replaced the starter in the car?
Kinda.
Yeah. So I wonder, first of all, if he replaced it, because it looks like he was trying to get to it. I wonder if he did. Be able to get it down there. It's a BMW, man. Like I said, every generation they just make our lives harder. So try to plug it in first before I put it. Let's be blindfolded here. Okay, I think all the sensors are connected. Let's go plug in the battery and see what happens. Looks like the battery is still alive, which is a good sign. Now let's see what happens. It would be so nice if she would start. Okay, so that sounded good. She's trying to now, but still didn't go. She's almost there. Not going still. Come on, girl. Almost there. It's a better sign. It's a sign of life. So guys, if anyone has any suggestions of what to do next, you can hear how she sounds. She's trying to now, she's cranking, she's trying to pick up, but she's not quite there. Could it be the high pressure fuel pump? I guess we'll find out. Keep going. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. And if so, please don't forget to like, share, and I appreciate every single subscription of yours. I'm working hard, so is my kids, basically our team, to provide you with high quality content which is useful and sometimes entertaining. Subscribe, like, share, and I hope to see you soon again. Have a good day. Bye bye.